For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. The foot-tapping peppy number Salman's Radio Bajayo Bajayo Zara from Tube Light has finally launched, and it seems to have spread brightness on the web big time. Fans are going gaga on the special energy-packed number, and the delight on Salman Khan's face is indeed contagious. A befitting number to break free from lethargy and step up for an impromptu jig. That's what we have been doing since the song has hit the web. And we believe that the fans of the Sultan too are following suit. No wonder the song is an internet sensation and has garnered 5 million views already. So have you heard the radio song as yet? If yes, then do share your radio experience with us in the comments section and keep watching this space for more updates. Yes, one more aspect of Tube Light revealed. With the grand launch of the radio song of this Indo-Chinese war period-based cross-border love story, we are inching closer to the release date of the film. And my, what a peppy foot-tapping start! Dressed in the 60s retro style, the song transports us to another world altogether. Amitabh Bhattacharya seems to have done complete justice to the lyrics. Pritam and Arijit Singh's lilting voice adds magic to the song, and the presence of Salman Khan simply casts a spell on the viewers. Slated to release on Eid this year, the promotions for Tube Light will soon reach a crescendo. Time and again, we have been treated to catchy posters and witty tweets reminding us about the film. While we await the film's release, do let us know if you too enjoyed the radio song as much as we did. Salman Khan and his tigress Katrina Kaif are presently together shooting for the upcoming espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. And while the two seem to be sweating it out big time, they did manage to spend some quality time getting cozy with each other on the sets. Katrina, who has recently joined Instagram, shared an amazing black and white picture of herself with Tiger Salman, who posed topless. My, this picture is a sheer eye candy. Well, the picture in question does turn on the heat, and we wonder if Salman Khan's alleged lady love Ulia Vantur would be fuming seeing this picture. Well, all said and done, do let us know what you think of this awesome drooling picture of Salman and Katrina. Salman Khan may be taking his relation with Ulia to a new level. However, it is not confirmed, but reports do have it that Bhai is looking for a house near Galaxy Apartment, his residence. So is this the same reason that Bhai's brothers Sohail and Arbaz are also looking for an accommodation for the Romanian beauty? Well, we sure would be the happiest if Salman and Ulia are together. However, it is to be seen what next from the Salman camp. Bhai, meanwhile, is busy with the release of his upcoming Eid Bonanza to his fans, Tube Light. He is also sweating it out in Lima for the shoot of Tiger Zinda Hai with Cat. Well, fans of Salman have always been waiting to know about the relation with Ulia, and the house hunting project seems to clinch their expectations. What do you feel about Salman and his plans for his rumored girlfriend? Do let us know.
Oh my God, that film is supposed to be like something else. Only I've seen the promo, and I've known Rana since the longest time, and he's done a superb job. His father, yeah, 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 yeah.
अच्छा?
Yeah, 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 yeah. Huh? Yeah, it's done. I am really happy. I'm really happy that Bahubali is done really well. And today, Rana will realize that why I used to tell him to act. He wanted to be a software engineer. Today, Rana will realize that why I used to tell him to act. He wanted to be a software engineer.
Just recently, we had shared an amazing and hot picture of Salman Khan against the rugged terrain of Abu Dhabi, and now we have a picture of Katrina Kaif with the trainer Reza. The British beauty looks amazing and natural as she is readying herself to shoot. Glimpses from the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai do leave us stunned and breathless. While the Bhai promises some high-octane action sequences, Katrina too has promised to show us some spectacular woman power. Based on the story of a spy espionage thriller, Tiger Zinda Hai is the sequel to the immensely popular Ek Tha Tiger. Well, while filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar has promised to surpass the expectations of fans, the happenings on the set do make us sure that he will definitely keep up his word. Don't you think so? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
Wow, what an amazing view. A rough desert background, the setting sun in these untouched sands, and a rugged looking Salman Khan posing against the setting sun. Yes, just like you. These pics gave us too an adrenaline rush. The Sultan looks very much in sync with his surroundings as he reprises the role of a spy in Tiger Zinda Hai. The film, which will be shot across more than half a dozen locations, promises to be bigger, better and grander than the first inning, Ek Tha Tiger. Well, seeing the specs of the tiger prowling on the sands, we are sure that the filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar will definitely keep up his promise. Now we simply have to wait until Christmas when the film will enjoy a grand opening. In the meanwhile, Salman Khan fans have another countdown waiting for his upcoming film Tubelight to release. And these pics more than compensate for the wait, Henna. Anyways, enjoy these pics and drop in your appreciation in the comment section as we bring your daily dose of entertainment.
With just a day more for the first song of Tubelight to launch, insiders have revealed that the number has amazing foot-tapping notes which will transport us to the early 60s era. The entire set and moves belong to another world altogether, and filmmaker Kabir Khan has paid proper heed to the finer nuances of things to recreate the fictional town Jagatpura, where more than 1,000 dancers will be seen donning attires to remind you of the 60s. While grooving to the peppy foot-tapping number. The retro beats, the costumes, the backdrop, and of course Salman Khan. Indeed a winning combination. Well, in our hearts of hearts, we are sure that the radio song will run over all the radio channels and playlists. Henna, so are you excited? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Priyanka Chopra was having a blast at a beach in Miami while she is presently promoting her upcoming film Baywatch. Clad in a skimpy blue two-piece bikini, the lady looked like a nymph in water. But what's this? When the diva stepped out of the pool, we were in for a right shock. Contrary to her idea of flaunting her figure, the bikini made her body seem out of shape. When things got a bit uncomfortable and a tad tight, Biggie Chops tried getting things back in the right place. But alas, the damage was done. The pictures, which have since then gone viral, have left us with a fair taste and hint at vulgarity. Don't you think so? Let us know by commenting in the section below.
Step back some years and recollect the Salman hit No Entry. Well, apparently, Anees buzzed us getting ready with its sequel, and we did tell you some time back that Sallu would be a part of it. But the latest news is that it is not Sallu but Hrithik who would step into Salman's character. The other actors would be the same, but the Sultan may not make an entry. Indeed, it was a great laugh within, and everyone was quite kicked with the humour. However, if everything goes as planned, it is the Krish of Filmistan who would continue the comedy fare. Well, we sure would have loved to have Sallu in the loop, but if it is the hero with the Greek god looks who is gonna take the baton, well, we don't mind that too, what say? Do let us know what you feel about this exit of Salman and entry of Hrithik in the No Entry sequel.
Well, after the success of Bahubali, Katrina Kaif is the one who is going to benefit from this popularity, for she is apparently going to sign Prabhas's next Saaho, a thriller. To be made in Telugu, Tamil and Hindi, Saaho is set to star the two present-day success Prabhas and Katrina. Yes, we do agree that Cat's Bar Bar Dekho did not rake in money, but she sure is busy with Tiger Zinda Hai with Salman, Jagga Jasoos with Ranbir Kapoor, her ex-beau, and Thugs of Hindustan with Aamir and Amitabh. Whoa! That speaks a lot for the actress who sure was in a mess last year when she broke off with Ranbir. Anyway, now with the rumored film with Akshay too, we only accept Cat is just too busy. Prabhas sure would be a great pair with the gorgeous Katrina, and after all the hoopla about Bahubali 2, we sure are eagerly waiting to see Prabhas in a commercial role. What about you? Salman Khan and Kabir Khan seem hell-bent on making fans crazy to the point of no return. Just yesterday, we had revealed how Salman Khan had posted a teaser video regarding the launch of his first song, and now filmmaker Kabir Khan has taken to Twitter to announce the date of the trailer launch. The talented filmmaker tweeted, "On 24th May, the Tube Light Eid trailer will come out." Wow! Hearing it straight from the horse's mouth does make us confident, but with the Chulbul Salman involved, we can never be too sure. We soon may wake up to the Tube Light teaser. But in the meanwhile, all we can chant is Jal Ja, Jal Ja. Based on the backdrop of the Indo-Chinese War, Tube Light narrates the tale of a man in search of his lost brother. Well, Kabir Khan has promised us an emotional, heart-wrenching tale, and we are sure that the actor-director duo will complete justice in their third collaboration. What do you have to say about this? The Tube Light fever is getting really viral, and it seems that quite a few records will be broken. Having garnered record-breaking lines for the teaser, the makers are ensuring that things move in a larger-than-life way. This time on, the team of the Tube Light have planned a grand release of their film in China, and it seems that they intend to have the film screened in 1,000 screens. Wow! Now that's one huge number, don't you think so? But given that perfectionist Aamir Khan's Dangal was a roaring success in China, the makers of Tube Light 2 are optimistic about the film having a successful run at the Chinese box office. The fact that the leading lady Zuzu is one of their own, it only works in their advantage. All said and done, what's your prediction on Tube Light's box office collection in China? Do let us know.